Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to integrate Skrill as a payment method into your Shopify store. Now, integrating Skrill as a payment method into your Shopify store in 2025 is a straightforward process that enables you to accept a wide range of payment options, including debit and credit cards and various alternative payment methods. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set it up. Step 1. Register for a Skrill business account. You need to complete the online application form with your business details, including first of all, you need to visit the Skrill business registration page, then complete the online application form with your business details, including ownership and contact information. You need to provide a link to your Shopify account store during the application. Now you just need to await approval. After submission, wait for Skrill to review and approve your application. Once approved, you receive access to your Skrill. Once approved, you receive access to your Skrill merchant dashboard. Now, step 2 is to configure your API credentials in Skrill. So you need to log in to your Skrill merchant account. You need to go to settings, developer settings, API, MQI, QMGSR, and CVT management. Set your API MQI password and secret password. Ensure your secret password contains at least 8 characters, including one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. Specify the ID address for Shopify integration 185.88.185.6. Save your settings. Now, step 2 is to integrate Skrill into your Shopify store. Now, you need to log into Shopify admin, click on settings in the bottom left corner, select payments from the menu, scroll down to the third-party providers section, click on choose third-party provider, search for Skrill in the list and select it, click activate. Now, input your merchant email, merchant ID, secret word and API MQI password as configured in your Skrill account. Optionally, add your company logo URL. Click submit to save the settings. Now, within the Skrill settings, toggle on the payment method you wish to offer. Visa, MasterCard, so forth. Ensure these payment options are also enabled in your Skrill account. Then click on the Activate Skrill button to finalize the integration. Step 4. Test the integration. Use test card for transactions. Skrill provides test card numbers for simulation. That's MasterCard 5438311234567890. For Visa 4000001234567890. Use a future expiring date and any CVV number. Conduct test transaction. Perform test purchase on your Shopify store to ensure the payment process works seamlessly. Verify that transactions are reflected correctly in both Shopify and Skrill dashboards. Now, additional resources. Skrill Shopify module configuration guide. For detailed instructions and troubleshooting, refer to the Skrill Shopify module configuration guide. Skrill and Shopify integration page. Visit Skrill Shopify integration page for more information. Hope you find this video helpful.